On December 3, 2025, a heavy silence filled a federal courtroom. People sat still, watching every move as the tension rose fast. Day 3 of the NASCAR trial started with a sharp tone that pulled eyes forward and made the whole room feel tight. The day started with testimony from Scott Prime. He worked on planning for NASCAR. Court notes said he was asked about emails that listed plans if teams did not sign the new charter deal. One plan was to cut the number of charters to 32. Another plan said NASCAR could end the charter system and run its own teams. Prime said NASCAR reserved the right to end the charter plan if teams did not agree. Records said teams got a long document with little time to read it. The 2025 charter paper had 112 pages. It was sent with a deadline on the same day. Many messages were sent late at night to team owners. Front Row Motorsports owner Bob Jenkins took the stand next. He said the charter offer came while he was at dinner with his parents. He had no phone signal. When it returned, he saw many messages telling him he had to sign before midnight. He said this gave him no real time to read the deal. Court notes said the judge gave a warning that morning. This happened after someone tried to read a text that was not allowed to be unredacted and after attempts to look deeper into Jenkins' money records. The court record said the issues were reading a text that was not supposed to be redacted. It was from Jeff Dickerson, who isn't a witness to verify it, and trying to delve into Bob Jenkins' financials more than what had been ruled to be allowed. Judge Bell was stern in his warning, according to Pacras. Jenkins said his team has never made a profit since the early 2000s. He put in a lot of his own money. Court notes said the team lost about $100 million. He said he kept the team running because he hoped to pass it to his sons. He also shared what another team owner told him. He said Joe Gibbs told him he felt like he had to sign it and felt like he let me down by signing. Jenkins said none of the owners were happy about signing fast. He also said there was a lot of passion, a lot of emotion, especially from Joe Gibbs. He felt like he had to sign it. Joe Gibbs felt like he let me down by signing. Not a single owner said, I was happy to sign it. Not a single one. Jenkins also said it was insulting. It went so far backward. NASCAR wanted to run the governance with an iron fist. It was like taxation without representation. NASCAR has the right to do whatever it wants. He added, this is not about bashing the France family. They've made a lot of great decisions. This charter is not one of them. More filings said the charter system keeps teams from growing. Papers said it raises costs and limits open teams. They said NASCAR controls charter access and long-term team rights. Records from earlier in the week said Denny Hamlin testified too. He said signing the deal felt like a death certificate for teams. Records said he became emotional when explaining the pressure teams faced. Jenkins also said he was very hurt by the deal and by the deadline. He said he only read a small part of the 112-page paper before the signing window closed. He said no team felt the timing was fair. The filings also said Jenkins feared rule changes without team input. He said the lack of voting power was a long-term risk. Papers said NASCAR also controls the schedule and media rights, which affects who can race in big events. The trial is ongoing. The outcome could have wide implications for NASCAR's charter framework, a system that guarantees entry and purse money in exchange for acceptance of long-term terms. Like the video, share it, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for the next update. Your support helps more people see this story, and it keeps you updated as the trial continues.